What's good, Sumolings? I'm Eric with AppSumo, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Today, we're checking out SiteBehaviour, a cookieless Google Analytics alternative that helps marketers and agencies track campaigns on easy mode. If Google Analytics feels like a hot mess, then SiteBehaviour's your new best friend. Packed with no cookie banners and intuitive tools, simply add the tracking script into your site to get started. That'll unlock real-time insights into your traffic, engagement, audience demographics, source data, and funnel conversions. Plus, cool features like rage click tracking, which indicates a poor user experience on your website. SiteBehaviour's widgets also help you track device and OS usage, top clicks, and user navigation. No more endless Google Analytics tabs. Everything is easily accessible from the dashboard. Filtering different time frames is simple. Just click the preset options at the top or select a custom time window. For more specific data, use the filter button to sort by session, demographics, webpage, behavior, or device. If you're pulling in big time traffic, go ahead and upgrade tiers. At tier 2, you get 100,000 total site visits every month, while tier 3 gets you 250,000. Either way, you can enjoy unlimited session replays for life. All right, let's talk charts. You can create count charts to track visitors under specific criteria, time series charts to display data over a set period of time, and funnel charts to map out behavior-triggered events like signups and conversions. You'll also be able to track whatever you want and ditch the rest by customizing your dashboard. And you can watch real user sessions to identify and resolve hidden friction points or conversion blockers. Unlike Google Analytics, SiteBehaviour's click and scroll heat maps let you visualize user behavior across every page, including hidden sections like accordions or dropdowns, painting a much clearer picture of which areas are ignored and which elements drive conversions. Want to hear directly from users? Embed the feedback widget to collect valuable insights. Now here's one for my agency homies. If you're managing multiple client sites, you can now centralize all your traffic data into one dashboard. Easy, clean, and heavily discounted for a limited time only. Click that Buy Now button to lock in your lifetime access to SiteBehaviour today.